Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation and check your result. And the given equation is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation and how we can check our result. The question has given us this equation 5x plus 9. The question has given us this equation 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. So question has given us this equation 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x, and question is asking us to do two things. One is question is asking us to do two things with this equation. One is solve the equation, and the other thing is solve the equation, and the other thing that the question is asking us to check the result. So question is asking us to solve the equation and then check the result. So guys, let us see how we can do these two things. Now the question has given us 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So this is what the question has given us. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So I can write or 5x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x minus 9. So what I am doing here? Subtracting both the sides, subtracting both the sides by 9, subtracting both the sides by 9. So I am just subtracting both the sides by 9. So why I am subtracting? I want to eliminate this 9. So for that reason, this is plus 9. So for that reason, I need to subtract the left hand side of the equation with minus 9. If I am doing something to the left side of the equation, I should do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So for that reason, I am subtracting minus 9 to both sides of the equation. Or I can write, or I can write 5x is equal to this plus 9, this minus 9, it cancels out, is equal to 3x minus 9 plus 5. So what I am doing here, I just moved this 5 closer to 9. I just moved this 5 closer to 9 so that it would be easy for us to solve. Or I can write 5x is equal to 3x minus 9 plus 4 is minus 9 plus 5 is equal to minus 4. So 3x minus 4. What we got? We have 3x minus 9 plus 5, which is 3x minus 4. Or I can write what I can write now? Or I can write 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 4. What I am doing here? Transposing plus 3x from right hand side to left hand side. Guys, we very well know that if we transfer or if we move a number from one side to the other, its sign changes. If it is a positive number, it becomes negative. If it is a negative number, it becomes positive. So I have just transferred or just moved this 3x to the left side. So what I got? I got 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 4. Or I can write 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to minus 4. This is what we got now. So what we got now? We got 2x is equal to minus 4. Now let us write, or let us do like this. Or 2x divided by 2 is equal to minus 4 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Dividing both the sides, dividing both sides by 2. Why I am dividing both sides by 2? Just I want to eliminate this 2 from x, or I want to separate this 2, or I want to remove this 2 from x. If I want to remove this 2 from x, I need to divide this 2 with another 2. If I divide this 2 with 2, then only I can remove this 2. And if I'm dividing 2 to the left side of the equation, I should also divide 2 to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I'm dividing both the sides by 2. Hope guys I'm very clear till here. Or I can write ax is equal to minus 2. How? These two cancels out and 2 2s are 4. So we got x is equal to minus 2. What we got? We got x is equal to minus 2. So this is our answer. This is the answer for the first part of our question. This is the answer for the first part of the question. Now let us look into the second part. The second part of the question says that check the result. The second part of the question says that, or the second part of the question is asking us to check the result. So let us see how we can check the second part. The second part is asking us to check the result. So let's see how we can check the result. Now we are going to check the result. So in order to check the result, let us first rewrite the given equation. The equation that the question has given us initially is 5x plus 9. The initial equation is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. This is what the question has given us. Now let us pick up the left hand side of this equation. So left hand side of the equation is 5x plus 9. We will check individually. We need to check first left hand side of the equation, then we will check the right hand side of the equation. So what we have here? We have 5x plus 9 is the left hand side of the equation. Or I can write 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 9. From where I got the minus 2? From here. We got the value of x as minus 2. So from here I got the value of x. So just I replace the value of x with minus 2. Or that is equal to minus 10 plus 9. Or that is equal to minus 1. What we got here? We got here left hand side of the equation is minus 1. Now let us look into the right hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation. So right hand side of the equation is 5 plus 3x, or that is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2, because the value of x is minus 2, or that is equal to 5 minus 6. How minus 6? 3 2 is 6 and here it is minus 2. We are multiplying 3 with minus 2. So we got minus 6. So that is equal to minus 1. So guys, you could see that we got minus 1 as the result for the left hand side of the equation, and minus 1 also as the result for the right hand side of the equation. So we can write left hand side is equal to, so we can write hence or thus left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hence the result is, or we can write hence this is verified. Something that you need to write as the closing statement in your own words. So you can write anything in your own words as your closing statement. So hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.